Asus has finally confirmed that it will be launching the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 gaming smartphone at a launch event in Indonesia on the 11th of December. The phone will be the successor to the Zenfone Max Pro M1, as it is evident from its name itself, which has been well received by the users as per Asus and multiple reviews on YouTube. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Interestingly, the Zenfone Max Pro M2 is getting launched in Indonesia, whereas its predecessor was first announced in India. Also, the company is claiming that the Zenfone Max Pro M2 is a gaming smartphone this time. While the company claims it to be a gaming smartphone, it's likely that the phone will have gaming-focused software features similar to the Honor Play instead of features on actual gaming phones from the same company like the ROG phone or the ROG phone, whatever you may call it. Previous reports suggest that the phone will feature a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display with a Full HD Plus screen resolution, packing 4GB of RAM, and is probably going to have two models based on the internal storage being 64 and 128GB options to choose from. We are also expecting another variant with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, since this is to be gaming focused. Under the hood, the phone will be running an octa-core 40nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AIE processor, which offers an impressive improvement in graphics performance compared to the previous Snapdragon 636 found in the M1. For photography, the phone is expected to feature a triple camera setup this time, where the primary sensor will be of a 13MP and the rest two are yet to be known. As for the software, the phone will be running the latest Android 9 Pie operating system out of the box, with the similar stock feeling that we have seen on the M1. The phone is expected to be available in India soon after the Indonesian launch, if not on the same date. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.